however, nevertheless. We use them to contrast ideas. They mean the same. Nevertheless is more formal.
The song was too long, but I liked it very much nevertheless.
Tips and tricks. Number 1. There is an informal rule that states, however denotes a positive to negative contrast, and nevertheless denotes a negative to positive contrast. I love my job, however, my salary is very bad. My salary is very bad, nevertheless, I love my job. Examples.
That book was quite long, nevertheless I read it really fast. Another possibility could be, I hate long books, but I read this one really fast nevertheless. Our vacation was wonderful. However, it was very short. Remember, there is always more than one possible answer. Let's continue.
That house is quite big and cheap, however, I will not buy it. It is very far from downtown.
I don't usually watch action movies, but I like this one nevertheless.
Traffic was super heavy this morning, nevertheless, I arrived on time. He was feeling very ill, however, he went to school.
Nelson is not the best student, nevertheless he tries really hard.
Mike has 3 jobs, however, he never has money.
My friends want to go to the swimming pool. However, it is raining.
I love my job. However, my salary is very bad.
I really enjoyed that movie, nevertheless, I prefer the book. Let's practice.
He has been unemployed for a long time. Nevertheless, he travels very often. Helen didn't leave home on time, but she arrived to the airport early nevertheless.
I offered him my help. However, he wanted to do it by himself. I don't usually enjoy big cities. Nevertheless, I liked Madrid very much. More exercises about however and nevertheless? Click here. This is Grammar Avenue.